Hello guys, my name is Zendy Rahmatul Iqsha Meilani. I'm from 11 Sociology. Today I will explain to you how to use Ibis Pen X application. So Ibis Pen X application is app for drawing or design. Application is free and very popular in artist circle. So today I will explain how to use Ibis Pen X application in tab. Enjoy the video. So first, open your Google Play Store or App Store and search Ibis Pen X. Install. Well, if you have download the application, just open this and this is the first view where you look. This is daily ranking from other user. This draw is from other artists from other country, of course. You can upload your draw in this application too. This art so cool. And if you want to draw, choose this and click plus icon. Choose your size and I will use this size. And you can start to draw like this. Adjust the brush size like. And if you want to save the result, you can choose save as transparent PNG or save as PNG. I will choose save as PNG. And this is the result. By the way, I have art. Can you give me your rate about this draw in comment? So thank you for watching and don't forget to like and comment. Stay healthy and goodbye. Done.